孙航，不站起来。
没有了，更长了，睡觉。
All around steps, and there's a bridal veil fall, and then there was a restaurant.
So I mean,
but when we got to the dock, we parked and come back, and we were sitting there, and all of a sudden, his eyes opened and just doused us. They were just fascinated with us. And after, huge rainbows in the sky. And it was nice.
you might get a nice sunset tonight. Those clouds.
You're not going to sunset?
Huh?
You're not going to?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm not a big fan of tea. I'm a wuss. Okay? There, I sit.
It's okay, you did you.
They just don't agree. Those bears too. Let's see what
They have to share them.
Welcome aboard the Great Blue Heron. On our trip today, we'll be visiting 2 shipwrecks and traveling past many of the islands to make up Paddle 5 National Marine Park, including Flowerpot Island. So make yourselves comfortable, feel free to move about the vessel, and ask the crew if you have any questions. Smoking is permitted in the back of the lower deck only. The Great Blue Heron was designed and built as a passenger-carrying vessel especially for these waters. So when moving out the vessel, be sure that you use the handrails and beware of slippery decks. Safety equipment includes 3 self-inflating life rafts located in the upper deck and a full complement of adult and children's-sized life jackets. On the top deck, they're located behind the bridge here, and the bottom deck are above the seats and both.